Hello again. This is our retirement cafe, our second meal we're going to try. Today is going to be chicken strips on the grill. Somebody said rainbow style again, because that was pretty good yesterday. Slim sliced some peppers. Okay, now first thing we're gonna do, spray the bag in one of these Reynolds grilling bags. You're gonna spray it good.
It's a hot day, 90 degrees.
At least. Class at 96. So we're going to mix up some barbecue sauce. Measured carefully. And some oil. Approximately a few tablespoons. Mix it up. And here I got some, a little over a tablespoon and a half of smoked paprika and some, a little bit of onion salt in there. I mean onion salt.
Garlic.
Garlic salt for taste. Mix it all in there. And some lemon. Take the cover off, it looks better. Put each one of these in the bag. 1, 2, 3. Brush it with this good stuff. There we go. Put in some of the peppers again, as we did on the last meal.
Dump them in there, honey.
In some rainbow carrots.
Oh, the best.
Carrots are good and adds a little,
Good for your eyes.
good for your eyeballs. Now, let's see what we got here. Fold it up.
Hi, it's me, Debbie, the other half. We are also, this time, going to have corn on the cob. This time, we're going to cook it on the grill. So we're going to wrap it up in foil. There's many ways you can do it, but we're going to do this way this time. You can cook it in the husk or whatever. We're outside now on this beautiful hot day, and the meal is going on the grill. Anyone who knows me knows I don't usually deal with the grill, but I'm brave. Look at that. Proud of myself. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, goodness.
Food should be done. Let's see.
Whoa.
And that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
The chicken is done. Because the vegetables are still a little hard, the carrots, but
That's
I like raw carrots anyway. Okay, we're gonna take a bite and let's see how it is. Mmm.
Good.
Piece a little bit of resistance. Very good.
And we also have a nice glass of lemonade to go with it.